welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be doing our Enterprise D build. So we are going to do stage 20 of Build the Enterprise D, and it's more panels today guys. Yes, we've got a few more to do, and we've got to put them onto the skeletal frame as well. Now we've only got one panel to make fit, and then we've got another panel that we did in stage 18 to fit onto as well today. So it should be a little bit of fun. Hopefully it won't be as long as stage 19, because that was like an hour-long video, and it took me an hour and a half just to record the instructions for that, making sure I get everything right. A little bit of a nightmare that one, but it's a learning curve, and that's what these models are about. You have to learn how to deal with them and how to build them, and I'm certainly doing that. Anyway, let's get on with today's build. So with all that said, let's get modeling.
Program complete. Enter when ready.
Okay guys, so the first thing we need to do, which I've already done, is we need to put our deck panels and 2 escape pods onto here. So here's the lights and everything already done. Like I said, I like to do that off camera because it just makes life a little bit easier. Okay, so we're going to take this off here now, nice and carefully, because we do have this reflective piece to put on. So nice and gently does it, just down like that. Then we need to get 2 of our lights, which are here, and we need to put them on. Now, as the magazine is saying, we need to put this yellow and white one at the top. Okay, just like that. Now it does say to put this one in, but I'm going to leave that out, and I'll reveal more on that why in a minute. So what we need to do is need to screw a BP screw in. One's just going to go into there, like so. Okay, we need to take another one of the LED lights that we've been supplied, and this one is actually asking for the red and black one in this side. Now some of them go in nice and easy, some are a little bit of a pain. It's just getting it till it slots in. And again, we need to put 2 BP screws now in. One in there. And then one just down at the bottom here. Okay, so that's now in place. We can test this. So I'll get our test board. That's one lit up. Need to make sure you get these in the right way. And that's 2 lit up, and that's what that should look like at the moment. Okay, so we'll just unplug them. Okay, move that test board away. Okay, we're going to fit this now to the skeletal frame. So this is going to go in just at this side here. So before I put this in, I want to bend this wire up and this wire up, and then I'll reveal why I've kept one wire loose, because there is a reason for that. So okay, so if we turn this upside down, we're going to be putting it in from this side here. So you know, I need to offer this up and thread it through first. So The wires on this side are going to go in through this hole just here. Now I'm going to thread that all the way through. I'm going to give myself a little bit of room. So I want to thread that LED through as well. If it'll come through. Yeah, I've got it. Okay. Right, so that is that one put through there. And then this one is simply just going to go through just there. Okay, making sure that spare LED is also through. Okay, now if I turn this now upside down, we can note that I actually didn't put in the LED for there. Now the reason for that is I'm actually going to take a bit of advice from mycartworks.com from Todd and thread this LED down through gap just down there. Okay, now I'm going to put this in. Might just have to loosen that screw there just to give me a bit of room. Right, now that doesn't help that that top one came out. Almost had it. Right, problem is this top one just wants to come out, and then we've got a window that has actually come out as well. Right, it's hard to see. It's got a window just here that has decided to come out. Ah, I'm gonna have to start this again. Right, back in 2 secs.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I'm back. I've got that sorted. The windows just your slightest knock and yeah, it just goes all wrong. Okay, so we're going to put this panel on now. Hopefully it will fit into place. Now the reason I left that LED off and I put it in now is because I want to be able to try and get it into the gap just in the bottom end of the frame, and then it's not stretching them wires. Okay, and that's in place. Okay, we need to secure that in with 2 DP screws. So where's my screwdriver gone? I am losing things all over the place today. There it is. So 2 DPs. Yeah, 2 DPs. Sorry, I was just double checking. I forget that these front panels are actually plastic and some of the panels are actually metal. Okay, so that one's in place. Fantastic. We might as well have a test of this. So that wire there, that wire there. So test board is here. That's one. Pleased to see that's lighting up. Two. And then you can see that panel lit up. Fantastic. Okay. Not finished there yet because we need to get the panel that we did in 18. Because we're going to be fitting that next into place, which is this one here. Now this is going to sit, and this is where it's a little bit confusing. This is going to sit more or less thing onto here. Just like that. But we do need to route these cables. So again, we're just moving them like that. And then these cables are going to go through this two frame sections just here. Now, my problem is, if they're all coming through there, then that is going to be bent. They are going to be bent over. I don't want that. Right, let me just double check the instructions, just to check I'm correct. Here it does. Right, let's try and tidy these up the best we can as we do go. Okay, so that one wants to be on there like that. And this one, that can be pointed down. Yeah, I think that's correct. Right. Okay, so that's now in. Right. Turn this over. Here we are. I want to make sure them are curled that way. And that one is going under and out. And the same with that one, which it is. Okay, and then we need to screw that in with 2 BM screws, which are just going to go at the top, just here. Just the 2 BM screws, so I don't know why we're being supplied loads. Okay, and then just another BM screw on the other side. Okay, so we're going to test this board now because I like to test them as they go in. That looks lit up fine. This will be this wire here. And that's lit up. And there we can see that's that panel all lit up, looking gorgeous. Wow, amazing. And that's what we should do in this stage, guys. We did get this in this stage, which is another battery box with a switch on. We're actually not doing that till stage 21. So that is stage 20 complete. Well, guys, that's it for the Enterprise D for today. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, these it's starting to slow me down a bit. These stages. Stage 19 was a bit of a nightmare, and then obviously we've got stage 20. Not as much as a nightmare, but still, we're trying to reroute wires left, right, and centre, and yeah, it's just got to get some used to. I'm really cautious about breaking the LEDs as well. That's why I keep testing them. So yeah, if you see me testing them so much, it's simply because I've got to keep going until, you know, until I'm sure that there is absolutely no LEDs that are not broken or that do not light up. And this has got a heck of a lot of LEDs, and it just makes perfect sense to make sure that you're testing them along the way. I've permanently got the test board out now, so, you know, as I do these stages, it's there just to plug in and go, really. So yeah, what else can we say? Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.